Hola amigos, welcome to my channel Simple Happiness. Today I'm gonna be making another cocktail, very popular. It is called a screwdriver. Very easy to make. It's actually only 2 ingredients, which is vodka and orange juice, and everything else you have at home. Okay, so you start by filling up the glass with a lot of ice. I'm gonna do 1 part vodka. And again, it's how strong you like your drink. So we're gonna do the vodka. And then we're going to add the orange juice. We're gonna garnish with an orange, and like I said before, I always like to go around the edge of my glass to add some flavors. I usually do this to all my cocktails. So here we go. We're gonna add the orange, stir. And then you can add a straw if you like to drink it with a straw. And that's your screwdriver. Salud, amigos.